Hey everyone, welcome to the quick report generation using Excel series. In this video, I am going to show you that how we can generate a 2 exam type Eiger report. So here is my sample Excel sheet and this is a sample report which has been generated using this Excel data. Here you need to replace your information so that this report can be generated for your institute or your school. Here at the top you can see there is some school information or school details with a report name. So here are the school details. Also there is a grade boundary we have mentioned, so this grade boundary is printed over here. The grades, evaluation and the description. So this theme is a royal blue theme, but there are some other supported themes like red, green, peach and orange. If you should change the theme, then you can copy and paste one of these themes to this cell. Now let's move to student details. Here I have 5 students, but you can have any number of students. There is a class name, roll number and the attendance details. Also there is a class teacher name. Here you can see there are the student details, the student name and class name, and there is a class teacher name. Also the attendance has printed at the bottom. Here are the attendance details. Make sure you copy and paste this student name and roll number to the next cells. Now let's move to subject results. As this report supports 2 exam types, here you can see there is a unit test and the summative. So this has been printed over here with the subject name. Here is the subject name. We need to enter the unit test, percentage or marks, summative, average and grade in front of the student name. Also there is a comment. So this comment has printed over here. Similarly, you need to enter the same data for other subjects like this. Now let's move to student comment or class teacher comment. Here you need to enter the student or class teacher comment in front of the student name and make sure you have copied the roll number and student name from the student details page. Here is the comment and now the signature. Here I have 4 signatures. Here I have a digital signature, holder name, the designation and the digital signature. You need to copy and replace your names or the designations and then replace the digital signature. So those signatures will be printed over here at the end of the report card. So go to EduCloud to generate such report and feel free to contact us at support@educloud.in. Thank you.